Ho Chi Minh City. It's 11 o'clock now. We're just leaving the hotel just to do some exploring. It sounds really busy at the minute, a lot of horns going off, a lot of traffic everywhere. So I'm sure crossing the road will be an experience. It's organised, but chaos is just chaos. Just walked through all the traffic, absolute bedlam, and we just come across this park. I was like, oh, that looks nice, peaceful. The sound of horns are disappearing. I'm happy as well too because I found a bottle of Elsa water. So we just Google mapped how to get to the War Museum from our hotel. It's taken us about half an hour walk to get here. So that's what we're going to do. Just worked out how much it's going to cost to get into the War Museum. It's going to cost about £1.40 each per ticket. So we're just about to go on the entrance, through the entrance to the War Museum. Walking along and just came across the Independence Palace. The Notredam Cathedral. Grab experience. Yeah, it's like I don't know, it's like scary and exciting at the same time. Yeah. But weird, like Almost looks like it says Hannah. Just missing an N and an A.
visiting the Irish bar. We've actually got a proper beer as well, not a lager. That's it, we're leaving Ho Chi Minh or Saigon in the morning, off to Dalat. But yeah, it was a great couple of days. It's hectic, loud, but completely different. It is really good. Do you reckon?
Yeah, so I really enjoyed the Mekong Delta today. That was really different. It's not something that we can compare to any other of our holidays. It was just completely different. When we first got to Ho Chi Minh, our first day, the traffic was just wow, and we got our first grab as well, which was really good.
That's cool.
First grab on a bike, that was just insane. We did the War Museum as well. That was really interesting and overwhelming and emotional.
You see a lot.
Yeah, it's very graphic. Chill bar, which was a rooftop bar, that was really cool. Really nice, glad we did that. Just how cheap everything is over here, like to us, it's yeah, compared to home, it's crazy.
We're getting taxis and it's like 70 pence.
We've just come back to the room, just because it's our last night here. We've got an early start in the morning, so I've just got a can of Pepsi, now I've just got a can of beer. 83 pence for a can of Pepsi and a can of beer. Like, that's the sort of prices mainly everywhere.
Yeah, so that's it. That was Ho Chi Minh City. On to the next.